Slap, 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 slap.
It was a plan for me to take my revenge on the people who ruined my life. I didn't care who had sent it. I thought this was my chance after 15 years. This was it.
So he doesn't know it's Von Karma, even if he wanted to.
Yeah. Finally, a chance to have my revenge on Robert Hammond and Miles Edgeworth. I have no regrets.
Wait a moment. Revenge? Against Miles Edgeworth?
It doesn't matter why. He's guilty, and we're done. Come on, out of here. Let's go. Let's go.
What do you mean?
This is not. We want to exonerate Miles for this specific murder. He admitted it. It's not Miles. We're good to go. Let's pack it up, Judge. Come on. My blood sugar's low. Let's go. I'm gonna faint again.
I'm not at liberty to speak on that matter.
No.
Why don't you ask Mr. Edgeworth it yourself?
Fifth Amendment. Fifth Amendment.
Anyway, I admit it. I was the one who killed Robert Hammond.
Case closed, trial one. Woo!
Yeah, let's go. Not guilty, and we're good.
Von Karma, where is Mr. Yogi?
Under arrest, Your Honor. I saw no room for error in his confession.
So, Von Karma, is that an O in your win record? Did I get that?
It's almost like he wasn't my target.
No!
The defendant, Miles Edgeworth, is
Innocent. In this case, at least.
We're not trying that other case. It literally doesn't matter. We are not trying that case.
Are we about to be, right?
No.
very well. Will the defendant please take the stand?
Judge, just click your little gavel and move on. Just click your little gavel and move on.
Defendant, please
I
take
can't
the
click
stand.
my gavel. I have to pick it up, slam it down. There's a lot of work that goes into that.
No, Judge, there's no mystery in this stuff. It doesn't matter. He's innocent in this case. That's all my job is supposed to be.
Uri, think of it this way. We know from video game logic that Miles will not be the bad guy.
I'm just dying.
Miles will finally get justice. Still, you are cleared of suspicion for this particular case.
And that's it. We're done.
So I would like to pass judgment on the murder of Mr. Robert Hammond.
Okay.
Any objections?
Mm-mm.
Oh, Edgeworth, how are you going to screw this up?
Edgeworth, no! Edgeworth, no! Edgeworth, no! Okay. I don't believe it. Why isn't Von Karma saying anything?
Very well. This court finds the defendant, Mr. Miles Edgeworth.
I'm not ready! Okay. Okay. Whoo! Yay! Woo! Yay! Woo! Look at him in his little
They always
suit.
have confetti
He's
at the ready.
great.
That is all. This court is adjourned.
Yes!
Hold it! Oh, wait.
No! What? Oh, no! What? Edgeworth! No, Edgeworth! No, Edgeworth! No, Edgeworth! No, Edgeworth! No, no, no.
Just say objection.
Edgeworth, shut the fuck up. Edgeworth, please. Von Karma. Wait, what that means? No. Edgeworth, shut up. I'm dying.
Oh, boy.
I'm dying. Edgeworth, please. Edgeworth, please.
Edgeworth, please go to therapy.
Edgeworth, please.
You don't have to do this.
Just stop.
Your Honor,
No.
I object to your judgment.
Edgeworth, what the f?
What do you mean?
I'm not innocent at all.
Edgeworth.
As we have heard, Yana Yogi killed Robert Hammond in revenge.
Edgeworth, shut the f up.
But revenge for what?
It doesn't matter, Edgeworth. This is not your trial for that.
Nick!
Can I go up and strangle him?
Edgeworth is trying to confess. He's going to say he's guilty. He's going to tell them he was the murderer in the DL6 incident.
Gumshoe gave me some flex tape. I'm gonna run up there and just clamp his mouth shut.
He's going to tell them he killed his own dad.
Oh, what do I do? Objection! Objection! Oh my god. Point! The judgment has already been passed. I object to Edgeworth's outburst. He's not a lawyer at this moment.
Objection? Didn't something like this happen yesterday, too?
God damn it.
I believe a certain witness raised an objection after a guilty verdict was passed.
I set a precedent. That would be Larry.
Yes, it would.
We must hear this new statement.
I'll put flex tape over your mouth, Von Karma.
A snap. We must hear Miles Edgeworth.
He's right.
No!
We have a duty to hear Mr. Edgeworth out.
No! With the power of flex tape, I'll shut this guy's pile.
For 15 years,
I'm gonna die.
I have had a reoccurring dream.
That's not evidence.
A nightmare. It's only a nightmare. That's what I told myself.
Go to therapy.
But now I know it wasn't a dream.
No, you don't. There's no evidence. There's no evidence.
Yana Yogi wasn't the killer.
It doesn't matter.
You mean in the incident where your father died?
I'm dying. I'm dying.
From the distance of the shot, it wasn't suicide either.
Yeah, that's fine. We're done. Nobody knows. It was a ghost. A ghost shot your dad.
Everything was clear as day. Well, not in the elevator. It was actually quite dark. But the murderer, the criminal in the DL6 incident.
You're not a criminal. You were throwing a gun that misfired to help your father.
It was me. Your Honor, I confess to my guilt.
Great, amazing. We'll do that trial tomorrow. Oh wait, we can't. It's over because this is not that trial. Let's move on.
I am guilty of the deal 6, the statute of limitation of which ends today. The culprit is me.
You should be pointing at yourself then.
Oh, Edgeworth, why?
Order! This is certainly unexpected.
And unprecedented, and it doesn't matter. He's insane. Let's make Edgeworth insane now.
My god, I think being in this court aged me 30 years. Look, my beard is even grayer than it started. The defendant declared innocent is confessing to a different crime. What reality am I in? A crime for which the statute of limitations runs out today.
I'm dying.
I'm not really sure how I should deal with this.
Perhaps we should ask a prosecutor? Bah!
I have no better suggestions.
Bah! Said the vindicative sheep. It's obvious. We hold a trial. Right here. Right now.
That's not how this works. That's not how any of this works.
The people on jury duty are probably crying.
There is no jury duty. We talked about this, Mars.
Oh, that's right.
We tried this man for a crime of 15 years ago.
No, Edgeworth.
I think I would like to take a 5-minute recess. Not even the court, just me. During this time, I will consider the appropriate course of action to take and rethink my career choice. Court is adjourned. God damn it, Edgeworth.
Slap, 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 slap.
What is wrong with you?
Maya, zap him again. He needs it. You freaking idiot.
He really does.
I'm sorry, Wright.
Sorry means nothing.
Just doing the thing that looked like the Phoenix thing to me.
No, it wasn't. I never confessed to my own murder when I was the defendant. Jesus Christ, Edgeworth.
Oh, sorry, I meant the right.
No.
Huh?
I've just wasted all of your effort.
You have. Slap. Shut the f up next time. Gumshoe.
You made Gumshoe sad.
Mr. Edgeworth, I just don't believe it, sir. I mean, you kill your dad?
Not on purpose, and it doesn't
That
matter.
seems pretty edgy,
It
even
did.
for you. I didn't want to believe it myself, Detective. But it's the truth, and I deserve to be punished.
Oh, Edgeworth.
Therapy.
Oh,
Stop trying to seek your karmic retribution. Just make your peace and move on.
Men will literally kill their fathers and go to jail rather than go to therapy.
No, men will literally confess to crime undoing their friends' hard work.
I'm so upset. I'm so annoyed.
Murder is murder, no matter what for the law.
This goddamn sentiment for the 3rd time. I'm so pissed at this goddamn sentiment.
This is crazy, just crazy. Maybe we should look at the legal code and see if there's any kind of, justifications.
Nick, what are you doing?
Crying in a corner. What do you think I'm doing? I mean,
You're just in a ball in the corner. It's really awkward.
oh, I was just reading through the court record once more.
In the corner?
Yeah, I'm getting my case ready.
Your case? For what?
For, Miles Edgeworth is innocent. I mean, isn't it obvious? I'm going to prove that Miles Edgeworth is innocent. That's what I do. My job.
What are you talking about, pal? He just admitted it.
He said he had a dream, Gumshoe. That's not evidence admissible in court.
I mean, he confessed it. He did it in court.
That's not an affidavit or like a signed confession in my opinion, is it? I'm sorry, Edgeworth, but I don't believe your nightmare.
What?
It's just a dream. It's not real. The truth is right here in this court record. In any case, tighten your belts. The real fight is just beginning. I'll prove you're innocent. Trust me.
The bullet that you just got.
Yeah.
I was about to say it was taken from Gregory Edgeworth's heart.
Yeah.
They're gonna use ballistic markings, I guarantee it.
Yeah, it has the word
problem.
ballistic markings in it.
Very probably. Right.
I'm not gonna let you just throw your goddamn life away after I put in all this damn effort on this case against karma, okay? I need this win.
I think Edgeworth is
Mr.
saddled
Wright.
with even more unnecessary feelings.
Phoenix, no offense, but I'm really good at getting a prosecution and a conviction of myself.
Blah, 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 blah.
The skills.
This doesn't contribute to your win streak.
Yeah.
Oh, it does.
No, it
Actually, it's
doesn't.
another conviction under my record.
Oh, God. Your last one, though.
Still counts.
You gonna dun-dun?
No.
Dun-dun. Beep.
Now then, I would like to resume our trial.
No, no,
I
no.
took some Tylenol. I feel a lot better now.
It's a new trial.
Judge, Miles Edgeworth has admitted his own guilt. He has confessed his crime.
You're the one who said have a trial right here, right now.
It doesn't matter.
I mean, You can plead guilty. If Edgeworth just wants to go down, he can totally take himself down.
No, I'm not allowing it. I have flex taped his
lawyer
mouth.
is not allowed to stop a guilty plea. They can't.
I'm stopping it. I'm a friend in this case, not a lawyer.
Not allowed either. Can't do it.
Shut up, Dylan. Dylan, if they're going to even assume that Edgeworth is going to be tried for murder, we're doing this. I'm stopping this guilty plea. Okay, hear me.
Let us begin by hearing his testimony.
I'm sweating.
Then, so pointless. Let the defense do the cross-examining. I shall stand here like a wet noodle. The statute of limitations on the DLC incident runs out today. So it's unconventional for me. I'd like to run this one by the book.
Oh.
I see. Does the defense have any objections?
No, he's gonna let me cross-examine with no problems? Like, bring it on. No, Your Honor. Von Karma, you knew this was going to happen from the very beginning, didn't you?
Very well. Will Miles Edgeworth take the stand?
Will the witness state his name and profession? Miles Edgeworth. I'm a prosecuting attorney. Mr. Edgeworth, 15 years ago, you mistakenly killed your father, Gregory Edgeworth. This is... there it is. Is this correct?
No, shut up.
It is correct.
Shut up. FlexTape, bap.
Then testify about this matter to the court.
When Edgeworth was telling me about his dream yesterday, I noticed something. One detail didn't quite fit. That will be the key, but only if I can get it to work.
Please. Please.
That day, I had gone to the courtroom to observe one of my father's trial. As we went to leave, an earthquake struck, trapping us in the elevator.
A lot of trauma there.
My father and Mr. Yogi lost their composure and began to argue. Just then, something heavy fell at my feet. I picked it up and turned into a gunslinger. And I threw it at Mr. Yogi. I wanted them to stop fighting. A moment later, there was a single gunshot, then a scream. It was a terrible scream. I remember it to this day. It's exactly what I would tell my therapist.
If I had one!
Yeah, this whole part is basically just Edgeworth having a therapy session in court.
I'm not your therapist, Edgeworth. Get one. Thanks.
No. I'm much too edgy to see a therapist, but that's all.
Something about that scream. And until now, you thought this memory was a dream?
We were stuck in that elevator for 5 hours. The oxygen in the elevator, it ran out, and I lost my memory of the event.
An elevator works.
Oh, just like how Yogi?
The same claim Mr. Yogi has made.
I swear to God, I'm on your side, Edgeworth. Very well. Mr. Wright, your cross-examination, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so Phoenix has a plan, but,
I don't know what that plan is.
Do we have a plan?
It's something with the gun.
Your Honor, I have an incompetent attorney. You let me testify and confess on the stand like this. He's obviously not doing his job.
I didn't let you do anything. You broke out of my strong bear hug. All right, I'm just gonna press it all, I guess. Maybe he'll ask what the trial was about. Hold it. What was the trial your father was involved in on that day? Whoop, whoop, whoop.
I don't remember things very clearly. Only 2 things. I know my father lost, and Mr. Von Karma was the prosecuting attorney.
Mr. Von Karma, you were handling that case.
It was 15 years ago. I don't remember the details.
They're like bugs.
They're like defense attorney.
That was when Edgeworth pointed out the problem in Von Karma's evidence.
I was scared, trembling in the corner.
Oh, baby boy.
But then...
What was it?
Seriously?
The safety must have come off when it fell from his holster. Or like the unsafety.
The gun fired once.
Yes, I think. After I threw it, I lost consciousness. Since then, they've echoed in my head every day.
Ugh.
That gunshot and that horrible scream.
It's PTSD, Edgeworth. Please get some therapy.
So there is something about the scream.
The scream.
Yes, I can practically hear it now.
Can you mimic it for the court, please?
I don't think I'm allowed to go goblin mode on the stand. Sorry, Wright.
You've already gone goblin mode by doing this whole thing.
That's very true.
I doubt I will ever forget that scream as long as I live.
There it is. One part of that testimony clearly contradicts the evidence, but I don't know what it means. I better find out, and quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at the evidence. Let's look at the victim data. But the murder weapon was fired twice. We hope you enjoyed watching this episode of the Arcade Cabinet.
Join us. We're live 9 p.m. Eastern, Twitch, and YouTube.
If you like what you've seen so far, consider giving us a like and subscribe for more content and chaos.
See you next time.
And Meowth, that's right!
No.